Let's see this one here. Yeah, all right. And here we are on the highway. They cleared the roads pretty good. Snow blowers. You still gotta drive careful. We just saw an overturned car before. But here you can see in the middle of the road there's still a ton of snow slush. But otherwise, if you're careful, it looks pretty clear. It does look beautiful, the snow. Winter storm of 2021. Now we're going on to another highway. On-ramp's gotta be careful. Whoa!